Cooking can be a fantastic skill to develop, even if you're a beginner. Here's a long, friendly guide on easy cooking tips to help you get started in the kitchen. 1. Start with simple recipes. Begin small. Start with recipes that have a few ingredients and simple steps, like pasta, scrambled eggs, stir-fried vegetables, or basic soups. Mastering these will build your confidence. Choose familiar flavors. Cooking things you already enjoy eating makes the learning process more exciting. Experiment with variations on simple dishes like sandwiches, salads, and wraps. 2. Get to know basic cooking terms. Understand cooking terms. Terms like sauté, boil, simmer, and roast can be intimidating but are easy to grasp. Here's a brief rundown. Sauté. Cooking in a small amount of oil over medium-high heat. Boil. Heating water until bubbles form rapidly. Simmer. Lowering the heat so bubbles are just forming slowly. Roast. Cooking food, usually in an oven, which makes it crispy or browned. 3. Use fresh ingredients. Quality ingredients matter. Fresh ingredients make a big difference in taste. Fruits, vegetables, and herbs like basil or parsley add vibrant flavors. Start small. Tomatoes, onions, garlic, and fresh herbs are staples in many dishes. Store wisely. Learn where to store your produce to keep it fresh. For example, keep tomatoes and bananas at room temperature and leafy greens in the fridge. This keeps ingredients tasty and reduces waste. 4. Invest in basic tools. Basic must-haves. You don't need fancy gadgets. A few quality tools can go a long way. Start with a sharp chef's knife, a cutting board, a frying pan, a saucepan, and a sturdy spatula. Knife skills. Learning to chop efficiently speeds up prep time. Practice the claw technique. Keep your fingers curled inward to prevent accidents while chopping. 5. Seasoning is key. Salt and pepper basics. Salt brings out the natural flavors of food. Season in layers. Add a pinch of salt when you start cooking and adjust to taste before finishing. Experiment with herbs and spices. Try basic seasonings like garlic powder, paprika, oregano, or rosemary to make dishes more exciting. Start with small amounts and gradually increase as you learn what you like. 6. Practice proper cooking techniques. Don't overcrowd the pan. For best results, especially when frying, give ingredients space in the pan. Overcrowding can make food steam instead of brown, which affects texture. Taste as you go. Tasting while cooking helps you learn which flavors you enjoy and when seasoning adjustments are needed. 7. Understand cooking temperatures. Use medium heat for control. Starting with medium heat allows you to manage cooking speed, preventing ingredients from burning. High heat is mainly for searing, while low heat is best for simmering sauces. Preheat your pan. Let your pan warm up before adding ingredients. It helps food cook evenly and gives a good sear on meats or veggies. 8. Prep ingredients in advance. Mise en place. This French term means everything in its place. Preparing all ingredients before cooking makes the process smoother and less stressful. Pre-chop and measure. For simple recipes, chop your vegetables and measure spices before you start cooking. This ensures you can focus on cooking without interruptions. 9. Learn to follow recipes and adapt. Start by following instructions. In the beginning, follow recipes closely to understand the process. Over time, you'll learn where you can make changes based on your preferences. Be flexible with ingredients. If you're missing an ingredient, try substituting it. Out of spinach? Use kale or another leafy green. Missing lemon juice? Try a dash of vinegar. 10. Practice patience. Cook with time. Good cooking takes time, so don't rush. If a recipe says to let something simmer for 10 minutes, it's to develop flavor, so give it the full time. Embrace mistakes. Cooking is all about learning, and mistakes are a natural part of the process. Over time, you'll understand what went wrong and improve. 11. Cleaning as you go. Tidy workspace. Clean up while waiting for food to cook. This keeps your kitchen organized and prevents a big mess at the end. Use fewer utensils. Reuse mixing bowls, spoons, and measuring cups when possible to cut down on dishwashing time. 12. Experiment and have fun. Try new ingredients. Add something new every now and then to broaden your palate. Try a new spice, vegetable, or sauce to see how it enhances your dish. Cook with others. Invite a friend or family member to cook with you. It's fun to share the experience, and you can learn from each other. 13. Cook more often. Practice makes perfect. The more you cook, the better you'll get. Even if you're only cooking once or twice a week, this will help build your skills and make cooking second nature. Experiment with meal prep. Preparing meals in advance can save time and make cooking a less daunting task. Cook a larger batch of food, then store portions for later. Final thoughts. Remember that cooking is a skill that develops over time. Keep your recipes simple, season wisely, and clean as you go. Cooking can be as enjoyable as it is nourishing, so relax, experiment, and enjoy the journey. With these easy tips, you'll build confidence and be creating delicious meals in no time.